I got rollers, I got tiplets that I got from Slice up in the Bronx. They're beautiful tiplets. They fly good. Got around 20 young ones I've bred so far. I got flights, and I got some rollers that came from Pennsylvania. High-flying rollers. They don't tumble, but they fly very high. Got to mix with the flights, so they get used to flying high. The rollers are the ones that, and the tiplets are the ones that take the flights up, way up to the pin. But if you ever need birds, check me out. Flying, I'm bagging them to get in shape. They know where they live. You know, nice temperature today up here. Ha! Gotta keep them up, so they know the area where they live. I got the stick with the flag on it. That's the only way they learn, by catching them. They don't learn nothing on the roof. Always remember that. Get up there. Get up. Get up there. Woo! Get up there. Woo! They should live so long, but they live. Yeah. Flag them. That's the name of the game. There you go. Hey, let me go. La mafia. ¿Cuánto yo pone?